Hi, this is a review of the LG WM2250CW washer. All the information is summarized for you in the 6 color-coded boxes. Everything's rated from best to poor, green to red. Starting in the first box, the cleaning, it is an HE wash machine. It does not have internal water heater that can elevate the temperature. It does have a high efficiency wash system though, with those gentle wash motions, so it does get a good or average rating. Cycles, it has 7 cycles with 9 options. It's about average, so it gets a good rating as well. Energy usage is a 3-factor, so its modified energy factor is about 14% higher than average, so it does get a better than average rating. And the water features, it has a 3.3 factor, and that is a better than average rating as well, and that is about 9% less water than average. And the warranty is one of the best available on the market. It is a 10-year for the motor, and that is parts only, and that's just the drive motor, and then the lifetime parts only on the drum, and a 1-year parts and labor on the entire washer. Of course, subject to change, but that gets our best rating. The price per cubic foot is $222 per cubic foot. That is about 20% lower than average, so that does get a best rating for the price per cubic foot. Going down into the performance ratings, the total maximum RPM is 1200, and that's about 7% higher than average. It earns a check mark there. It does have auto temperature control to automatically regulate hot and cold water supply, so it gets a check mark there as well. And it does have 6 wash motions, and that earns a check mark for that capability. It does have automatic water level detection. It has that sensor to detect the load size and adjust it accordingly. And it also has vibration control, so it can actively work to keep the washing machine drum balanced during the wash and spin cycles. And it does have a stainless steel wash drum, which is a long-lasting material, of course. The convenience range, it is 3.6 cubic foot of capacity, and it is manufacturer suggested retail price of $799. That is about 28% lower than average, so it earns a check mark there. It does have an LED display, and it does have a delay start feature, so you can select the later time and it will start at that time for you. And it does have a tray dispenser with bleach, fabric softener, and detergent. It can be preloaded in those dispensing trays and automatically released during the wash cycles. And it does have settings for the temperature, soil, spin settings. It does have a much higher number of those than average, and earns a check mark for that category. And it also has smartphone troubleshooting, so some problems can be diagnosed via phone connection, and reduces the need of having to call out a repairman, etc. And it, of course, is stackable. Energy ratings, it is Energy Star qualified. It does meet or exceed the federal standards for energy efficiency. It was a 2012 most efficient Energy Star model, and it uses about 97 kilowatt hours annually, which is about 40% lower than average, and ranks in the top 10% of new machines for kilowatt hour usage. It is a tier 3 as far as the consumption of energy efficiency, and it is a super efficient appliance according to that, being a tier 3 model. And it also does have a cold wash, eco cold wash, so that it can use a special agitation process to clean clothes using less water, etc. We do have over 1,000 other reviews on the website. If you go to the homepage, reviews-washer-dryer.com, you'll see some of the best, most searched popular front load washers and top load washers summarized there for you. Also, you can click on top rated, and you will see the top rated washer and dryers summarized there for you. You also can search on the left hand side by model, by price. You're able to search for the best washers by type, front load and top load, and of course, and best dryer. And you also can look for electric dryers, gas dryers, steam dryers, and by brand you may search by that. There's also recall information and discontinued models as well. If you have any questions or comments about this washer or any other washer or dryer, please leave those for us, and we thank you for taking a look at this review.